In 2025, you have more power than ever to negotiate a lower Dish TV bill. The television landscape has fundamentally changed, and understanding your leverage is the key to saving money. The market is now flooded with alternatives to traditional satellite TV. Streaming services, hybrid platforms, and cord cutting options have created intense competition. This competition is your biggest advantage. All these competitors are putting pressure on Dish Network to keep customers happy and retain their business. Dish Network lost 383,000 pay TV subscribers in the first quarter of 2025 alone. This makes customer retention their absolute top priority, which means they're willing to negotiate to keep you. Before you call Dish, do your homework. Research competitor pricing, streaming alternatives, and current Dish packages. This knowledge becomes your negotiating ammunition. Dish offers special discounts for seniors aged 55 and older, healthcare workers, and military personnel, both active and retired. These discounts can provide substantial savings and additional perks like free movie rentals. Timing is crucial for successful negotiation. The best time to negotiate is 1 month before your promotional pricing expires. This gives you leverage while showing Dish you're a proactive customer worth keeping. 2 final leverage points. Dish's 2-year price guarantee can lock in your rate, but be aware that prices may increase after the contract expires. Also, bundling TV, internet, and phone services often results in lower total costs than separate subscriptions. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to negotiate from a position of strength. The most effective strategy is contacting Dish TV's retention department. These specialists have the authority to offer significant pricing cuts and discounts that regular customer service cannot provide. Be polite but firm when stating that you're considering canceling your service. This signals to the retention specialist that you're a serious flight risk, which motivates them to offer better deals. Mention specific competitor offers to create leverage. Research current deals from DirecTV, cable providers, and streaming services. Having concrete alternatives shows you're serious about switching. Ask for specific discounts and credits. This includes loyalty discounts, service outage credits, and promotional pricing. Be specific about what you want rather than asking for generic help. Consider downgrading your package by removing premium channels or reducing DVR equipment. This shows flexibility while still maintaining basic service, giving you negotiating room. If the initial offer is unsatisfactory, escalate to a supervisor or manager. Each level has more authority to approve larger discounts. The escalation process follows a clear hierarchy. If negotiations fail, consider pausing your service temporarily while exploring other options. This final strategy often prompts retention specialists to offer their best deals to prevent you from leaving. By using these proven negotiation strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of lowering your Dish TV bill in 2025. Remember to be prepared, persistent, and polite throughout the process.